Stock market is not a casino. It is a nervous system of the country's economy. For few, this might sound crazy, but this is what it is. We all know what stock market is, but there are only a handful of people who understand it, and rest of the people think it's a place where rich gamble. For many, investing money in stocks might be not that easy as it is shown in TV commercials. But why? There might be many reasons such as risk, past scams, and most importantly, no or very less knowledge about the stock market. People are often heard saying stock market is very risky and one may lose all the hard-earned money in no time if luck won't favor them. If all these things are true and if everyone stops investing in stocks, what would be the consequence? Companies which want to expand their business will stop getting funds. Companies coming out with IPOs, rights issues, QIPs, and many other sources to raise funds will see a downside. What it means? It means that companies which are in need of funds, either to expand or innovate their business, will not get funds. Last year, Reliance Industries, India's number one company in terms of market cap, had come out with a mega 53,125 crores rights issue, which was made a success by its existing shareholders. This is just one example. In 2020, we saw more than 15 IPOs in the market and almost all were a success. All this fundraising for large or small companies are made possible by the people who invest in stock market. If companies expand or grow their business, so does their profit, which will create employment and also fills the government's kitty through corporate income tax. In financial year 2020, Reliance Industries alone paid 13,726 crores as a corporate income tax to the government. And there are close to 5,000 listed companies in Indian stock market. Just imagine how big the amount is. This is one of the biggest stream of income to the government, which is utilized for the country's development. In United States, more than half of the households have investment in stock market, whereas in India, only 3.7% of the population invests in equities. All these facts are awesome, but until and unless the investors are rewarded, we can't call it as a complete package. Let's see the past return of Nifty 50 index. It has given 89.7% absolute return with an annualized return of 13.65% in past 5 years. This is excluding dividends. All these things show stock market is a very important part of the country and play a vital role in its development. So let's say this again. Stock market is not a casino. It is a nervous system of the country's economy. Thank you for watching. I hope this was informative. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll be back with more financial and economic knowledge. Till then, take care.